Hello and welcome back to the channel. Our rhubarb plant is giant and it is producing so much right now. So it feels like the perfect time to make a lot of things with rhubarb that is not rhubarb strawberry pie. And so this week I'm going to be making some rhubarb cordial. It's a nice summer drink that you make with soda water. And I'm going to use up a lot of this rhubarb because we have a lot of drop-in visitors coming by this week. And so this is a great way to make up a bunch of this cordial, have it stocked in the fridge, and just make up quick drinks when guests arrive. So I'm starting out by cutting off the stems. I got pretty well 2 inches from the stem of the plant, and then I chop off the leaves and leave them right here in the garden. And I can actually use them to cover some other areas that are open in the garden spaces, so that can suppress weeds or even be used as compost over time. Now the next day I started chopping my rhubarb stems about 2 inches thick and then added them to a pan with a little bit of sugar. Well, a lot of sugar. Rhubarb is really tart, so really the sweet flavor is necessary to combat that really tarty taste. And then I'm grating the zest of 2 lemons. Make sure they're organic because else they've been sprayed with a whole bunch of stuff and you don't really want the zest of that. So the zest of 2 lemons and also the juice, and as I'm squeezing these lemons I'm picking up the seeds that I missed. And then I'm adding a little bit of water and letting that come to a simmer on my stove. Once it was boiling, I turned it down so that it would simmer for the next 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I turned off the stove and let it sit here to cool down. Now when the mix is cool, you can store it in a jar in your fridge until you're ready to use it. Now to make the actual drink, I am making some soda water in our soda stream and then scooping about 2 tablespoons of cordial into a glass and filling it with soda water. Now this couples really nicely with some fresh mint, and then I almost forgot, but adding in some frozen raspberries is what makes this really, really yummy. Stir that all up and serve it to your guests.